Hi. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's a great pleasure to welcome all of you, teachers and my dear students, to today's seminar program.
Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. With your participation, it is not we are getting prize or what. It is important that whether we have a participated or not.
Good afternoon to everyone. First of all, thank you, madam, for conducting this beautiful seminar. So, I will tell you one thing. So, first of all, if you win or not, that is not important. First of all, participation is important. So, I will tell you one quote. Something is better than nothing. So, first of all, participation is better than nothing. So,
Whatever you have that hidden talent. Do you understand? So first time you may not get, second time you may not get. You have to try and try again and again. And anytime those who are last now, they may get the first. Okay. So
Whatever topic you get, don't say no. You have to say yes. For everything. Not has ma'am called you.
మన ఫ్యూచర్ లో దేనికైనా ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ స్టేజ్ ఫియర్ అనేది పోతుంది.
Welcome G Harish ma'am.
Good morning everyone. I am G. Harishma from 9th grade. I am here to take a seminar on ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. While I am speaking about ISRO, what next cycle on your mind? Space. Okay. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. He is the founder of ISRO and father of
welcome P. Ritwik.
Good afternoon to all. I hope you are well. Myself, P. from 9th grade. My topic is Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is the supreme law of India. It tells how the country should be governed. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of Indian Constitution. It explains the powers and duties of the government. The Constituent Assembly started preparing the Constitution on 9th December 1946. It came into force on 26 January 1950. So this day we celebrate as Republic Day. The Indian Constitution took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete. Constitution is divided into 12 schedules and 22 parts. Example, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, etc. Indian Constitution protects every citizen by giving fundamental rights. So we should respect our Indian Constitution. Thank you.
Next, M. Sudiksha.
Hi, myself I am M. Sudiksha from 9th grade. Today my topic is about global warming. Global warming is one of the most devastating and pressing our planet faces today. The main cause of global warming are burning the fossil fuels. The fuels like coal, gas and industrial process. Another reason is deforestation. When the trees are cleared for the agricultural practices, this balance will disturb. The next reason is industrial and agricultural practices. The chemical fertilizers release methane and nitrogen to the atmosphere. Thank you.
Next, I welcome N. Sahasra.
Myself Sasha from 9th grade. Today I will explain about the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court is the biggest court of India. It has started on 28th January in 1950. The head of Supreme Court is known as the Chief Justice of India. There are 34 judges in the Supreme Court. The work of Supreme Court is to give equal rights to everyone in the country. It is the last court where the people can go if they are not happy or not satisfied with the other courts. It will protect our fundamental rights and constitution. This is the court. We can solve the problems of between central and state government. It is very important for our country because it will make sure and ensure that all rights are equal and all laws are equal for rich and poor people. That is why we call the Supreme Court is like that. It is the biggest court in our country. It will make sure that all the equal rights and laws are equal for rich and poor people. That's why we call it is the guardian of our Indian Constitution. Thank you.
M. Nityashree.
Good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Myself M. Nityashree. My topic is the Parliament of India. The Parliament is the highest law-making of India. It makes law, discuss important national issues and approves the country budget. The Parliament has 3 parts. They are the President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. India follows a parliamentary system of government. That's why Prime Minister is the head of the government and is responsible to the Parliament. India is the world's largest democracy and follows a parliamentary system of government. Present President of India is Draupadi Murmu. She is the 15th President of India. The first President of India is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha is 18th Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha members elected by citizens. Present leader of Lok Sabha is Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi and Speaker of the Lok Sabha is Om Birla. Lok Sabha also called as lower house also. Rajya Sabha MPs are not directly elected by people. Rajya Sabha chairman is Vice President of India is C.P. Radhakrishnan. Our Parliament is located in New Delhi. The new Parliament building was inaugurated on 2023 May So the Parliament of India is the heart of our democracy. Thank you. Hey everyone, my name is Eskrithika from 9th grade. Today I would like to speak about the silent struggle of children. Every student smile outside, but inside them they feel pressure, fear, and loneliness or stress. Sadly, these feelings go unnoticed because of one of the biggest reasons is comparison. When children are compared with others such as marks, talent, skills, or behavior, they may start believing they are not good enough. Instead of feeling confident, they may lose their. Every children is unique. A flower does not compete with another flower because it blooms in its own time. Such as in the same way, every student blooms in its own time. When a time comes, the students will prove it how they can show. As parents and teachers, we should encourage the students instead of comparing them. A few kind of words build up confidence while comparison can suddenly break it. Support every child become a best version of themselves. Thank you.
Start.
Good morning to principal and teachers and my dear friends. Myself is Sridham from 8th grade. Today I am going to give a seminar on space technology. Space technology is the science and technology used to explore outer space. It helps us to understand the universe and improves our daily lives through satellites and space missions. Space technology is the technology used to design rockets, operate satellites, etc. Space technology used for communication, used for navigation, used for agriculture, etc. So ISRO is India's space agency. Recently, India has launched Chandrayaan-3 on the moon and also launched Aditya L1 mission for studying the sun. And also, day before yesterday, India has launched Vikram-1 to study the sky. So space technology has become an important part of our life. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome P. Sahanshri.
Good morning everyone. My name is B. Sahanashri from 9th grade. Today I am standing before you to speak a few words about the biggest mission in the history. It's about mission to Mars. It is only just about rocket. It is about to push the human limits. It is one of the Mars has similar to our planet. It has eyes, similar day length, and science it once had water. The big mission is going to happen. Plan on 2026. We are going to plan it in 2026, and it is going to launch about 2029 to 2031. The mission isn't just about exploration. It is about to make the humans a multi-planetary species. So one day the humans will stand on the Mars. Standing on Mars may become.
Next I welcome G. Madhusri from 8th grade.
Good morning all. Myself G. Madhusri. I am from 8th grade. My topic about is social media impact. Social media has fundamentally rewritten the rules of human connection, transforming the global landscape into an instantly accessible digital village. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube have democratized communication, giving anyone with an internet connection. Social media has not only brought people together, but it also made new opportunities easily accessible to everyone. These digital platforms are gratefully helping to raise the voice. Thank you. Good afternoon to all. I am Ashni from 9th grade. Today I would like to speak about health is wealth. The timeless proverb health is wealth perfectly captures a fundamental truth of human life. Wealth is commonly understood as the accumulation of money, property, and on the other hand, health
Harshita.
Everyone, myself A. Harshita, I am from 8th grade. My topic is always use good manners. Using good manners should not be a temporary behavior but a permanent habit in our daily lives. Constantly practicing politeness like using please, greeting people warmly and holding the door shows deep respect for everyone. In schools, always maintaining good manners through active listening and helping classmates builds strong friendships and teachers and seeks our for future success. Ultimately, choosing to always use good manners is the truest reflection of your kind heart and soul. Thank you.
C.H. Avantika.
Myself here Shankar from 9th grade. Today I am honored to stand before you to talk about something that shapes every value sign in one of our lives. My topic is education. Education is the most powerful tool shaping a future better. More than just memorizing textbooks, it is a lifelong of growth and society progress. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. It is the foundation upon which we but education is not about personal career success and earning a living. It is also about character. It teaches us values like confidence. Good morning to everyone, respected principal and teachers and my dear friends. My topic is homework. Homework has historically been given to students what they learn in school and ultimately to help them material better. However, too much homework is not helpful and can be counterproductive other activities. The number of children who are overweight has doubled in
M. Sutika Sri.
My topic is social media and its effects. In the present world, the social media is important platform of the expected Mr. Madam, sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Chandana from 8th grade, going to present about diversity in our society. It is combination of different colors, shapes and scents working together. Our society is exactly like the garden. When we look around Laksharpet and the winner Telangana organizing, we see a rich of cultures, languages and festivals. We have people from different backgrounds. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Esran from 8th grade. Today I am going to say about punctuality. Punctuality means being on time. It is a good habit. Punctuality means people are respected. It helps us to achieve success. Punctuality saves valuable time. Punctuality means it makes life organized. Punctuality is the key to success.
Myself, Evan Chandana from 9th grade. My topic is artificial intelligence. AI stands artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a technology that enables computers and machines to think, learn, and solve problems like humans. Makes our daily life easier and faster. Uses of AI. AI used in education system, AI used in environment, AI used in transportation, AI used in banking and finance, AI used in agriculture and security.
Politeness is a simple rule that builds a strong community. To politeness means everyone with equal respect from your classmates to the school staff. Simple like smile saying thank you.
Archana from 8th grade. Today's my topic is about Bharat Ratna Award. The Bharat Ratna Award is India's highest civilian award. First award started in 1954. This award started for public services and social services. It is generally given on 2nd January every year for outstanding services. The first Bharat Ratna Award winner is Chandramukhi Rajagopalachari. Recently, Bharat Ratna Award winner are announced in 2024. A.K. Advani, P.V. Narasimha Rao, M.S. Swaminathan. Thank you. Myself was teacher from 8th grade. Respected principal and teachers and my dear friends, today my topic is uses of mobile phones. Today I want to tell about an object that is almost in our pocket, bag or right in hands or our hands. So that is nothing but mobile phones. Mobile phones are nothing short of a modern things and make daily life. Thank you.
Discipline means following rules. It is very important for student life. It keeps life organized. Discipline helps in better learning. Teachers like disciplined students. Discipline responsibility. Discipline teachers to success. So every student should be strict. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Nia Akshara from 9th grade. Today I am standing in front of you to say about our government. Before that, I thank my school authorities for giving these opportunities. The government is a formal system that it ensuring social order and citizen safety. Government is the organized body of people. It is responsible for controlling state or community, including democracy and monarchy. Government established laws to maintain peace. The government goal is to protect citizens and ensure the well-being of. Thank you.
Next, I welcome Aisha Prasad.
I am Sriprasad from 8th grade. I got a topic about Indian culture. It is believed about India has preserved traditional and culture for centuries. Indian culture and traditions encourage everyone to remain peaceful, humble, and respect others in society. Thank you.
I am here to speak about power of dream. Dream transforms into a thoughts and thoughts. Result in action set by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. What is a dream? A dream is not what you see while you sleep. A dream is the thing that does not allow you to sleep. Some of us dream to become a doctor, IAS, IPS. Onwards, not only dream but work for it, because dreams don't work unless you do it. Thank you all.
Myself is Saratya from 8th grade. Today I am going to discuss any thought about good food for good health. Health diet is very important for good health. Health eating habits and important. It helps us growing strong and vegetables and fruits is good. Each and everyone are following us. Thank you.
My topic is hard work beats talent. Do you like Cristiano Ronaldo? Yes, I like him too. He said once, talent without hard work is nothing. Talent is 10%, hard work is 90%. Talent makes us lazy. I am talented, so I do not need to practice it. Thank you.
My friend Sangit, life system is very important for our nature because we are surrounded by many countries like China, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Nepal. So different types of problems in these countries. So it is divided into 3. Thank you.
Kumar. I am Rohan Kumar from 8th grade. Say about importance of traditional festivals. We celebrate so many festivals like Diwali, Holi and Bonalu and Batkama. We meet our family on festivals. All family members came together. We eat sweets and wearing new clothes to take Thank you. To give some opinions about our seminar, and let's welcome G. Harishma for that.
Hello everyone. I don't want to speak more about this. Measure success and defeat in same wavelength. Thank you. First, I fear very much, and I decided I want not prize, confidence. Confidently, I said. I think you all have said confidently. Participation is the most important thing in our life. If you got prize or not, be confident yourself. Thank you. Today we have conducted a seminar. All did very well. I will say congratulations to everyone. As we had conducted our seminar program, we have learned so many things. The prize is not important, but we had participated or not, it's important.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Shreyas from 8th grade. I hope all are enjoyed, all are happy.